Section 1.3, numbers 6 and 7. These numbers both have something to do with graphing on a number line, so let's take a look at them. First, we want to graph the number minus 11/4. So first thing to do is create a number line. Extends to infinity in both directions. Let's put a 0 in the middle, and let's go out plus 5 minus 5. Okay. So if I wanted to graph, instead of that minus 11/4, let's start with just the number 3. If I wanted to graph the number 3, what I would do is find the 3 on the number line. Right on the number line, at that position, I'd put a dot. So you don't want to put it above or below. You put it right on the number line. If I wanted to graph 4.5, all right, it's a mixed number. So what I would do is start at 0, go over 4, then keep going for a half. Right on the number line, that would be 4.5. Minus 11/4 is a little bit weird to graph because I don't really know its value quite as easily as 4.5. So the first thing I do is change it to a mixed number. 4 fits into 11 2 times, because 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 4 is too much, it brings me to 12. And if 2 times 4 is 8, that means I'm 3 away from 11. So I have 3 left over out of 4. So that's the mixed number for it. The minus sign tags along. So I have minus 2 3/4. Okay, that's a little easier to visualize. So minus 2, so go left 2, then another 3/4. And just approximately put it at the minus 2 3/4 spot. All right, so that'd be graphing the numbers on the number line. Now, something related to number lines is knowing which number is larger. And it can be difficult when you have two negatives. It's harder to see which one is larger than the other one. Well, actually, they're asking us which one is smaller. So generally, you know, by instinct, you might say the 2 is smaller. But a smaller number, by definition, is something that is more to the left on the number line. So when we're at the positive numbers, yes, 2 would be less than 6, which is over here. But when we go to the negatives, let's put the minus 6 there. Minus 6 is more to the left. It's more negative. So minus 6 is smaller.